Microsoft is already done with all its major announcements for E3 2018, but the ripple effect seems to be still existing. We have heard the Redmond-based tech firm working with EA to bring new gaming services, but a new report now talks about the next-gen console that is likely to come as a successor to the firm's current and the most powerful Xbox One X gaming console. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. According to the Rod.com website, the next console by Microsoft could see the light of day as soon as 2020, the year we are to see the Olympics at Tokyo. This is considerably sooner than expected given that the company introduced its Xbox One X console just last year. The new console is said to be codenamed as Scarlett. Interestingly enough, Microsoft is said to be placing Scarlett as a family of devices instead of just one console. This could also mean that we may see more than one device arriving as a part of a new console 2 years from now. What is yet to be known is that if this is a completely new set of devices or an upgrade over the existing Xbox One X console. The company is expected to make the rumored device backward compatible, as it has always been doing, meaning it may run Xbox One titles as well, but with some new features and enhancements. With this being the initial rumor, it's a bit far-fetched to speculate too much about the feature, as there could be several changes in the lineup by 2020. The firm is working on a new cloud gaming service that aims to bring console-level games to smartphones. EA CEO Andrew Wilson said that the game streaming service could run on smartphones and low-hardware laptops, but is not yet ready to launch. Microsoft's Xbox chief Phil Spencer over the weekend confirmed the news, resonating the same information. Rod.com speculates that since Microsoft already has in-home game streaming from Xbox consoles to Windows 10 PCs, it can link the streaming service to Xbox Game Pass as well, so it would not be a very big deal to achieve, although asking for a long time to accomplish this is still a doubt. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.